tonight. She's a very fucking important part of the show. Fuck off, right? It's a very poignant song.
Yes.
It's good. It's called The Sound of Love.
He's getting the giggles.
The clicking of your clutch fast, smiling while I reverse. We cruise like it's music, waves of pure emotion, pull up to the ocean. There's something conducting. Oh, I'll kill for your love. 'Cause you are what I'm dreaming of. Is this the sound? The sound of love. There's a rhythm while we're walking.